Alrighty, welcome back to Boom Craps, ladies and gentlemen.
Crafts. Due to social economical constraints, we've not been able to make videos for a little bit,
Yeah.
and mostly because children just keep coming out into the garage.
Yes,
Don't-
sir.
Don't lock it.
All right, we're starting with a
All
2K bankroll.
More Well, we'll see. I might have more
We're
than
still
that
at
now.
2K. Yeah. Oh, you're probably down a little bit.
I'm up a lot, actually.
Oh, are you really?
Yeah.
How are you up?
There's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2000. This is all extra.
Oh. Dang it, you were up.
I was up. All right, we're starting 2000 bankroll. I'm doing the monkey press. $100 or 640 across the start, trying to get every number to $500. I bet. Hit a couple hits and then regress a little bit. So here we go.
All right, let's do it.
All right, we're gonna do 640 across. It's 100 on every number. 120 on the 6 and the 8. And we just call it on and roll. We don't do pass line. You know that crap. That's how you lose on two 12s and 3s. Here, this is extra. Oh wait,
No,
it's not already.
It's not extra.
All right, here we go. We're doing dice set 5s with 3s behind.
Nice. Here he comes.
Hard 4.
3.
Oh, it's a 5.
Oh, 5. Yeah. Well, yeah, I was correcting you. You said it was a 4. I said it was a 3. Because you probably thought that was a 2.
Oh, I just thought it was a hard 2. So 100 pays
Yep.
140.
1.
Just make it 200. Because 200 will pay 280.
Yeah. So
Just put the 100 on there and give me the reds.
here we go. Heart 10 with 3s behind. Hey.
Oh, no.
That's not good, ladies and gentlemen.
No.
That was a quick
All
7
right,
out. We do not want to see that when you're doing this.
I got a couple more bullets here.
Definitely don't want to see that.
3 up. We're going to get even crazier. We're going to do 25 on the hard ways. There we go. Always working.
Always working.
Always working, baby.
Always working.
All right, we got another 5.
Fever 5, easy.
Another 140. Top golf's at 415. Hello?
Did we? I just I'm gonna talk.
Oh, okay. That's hilarious.
Alrighty.
Oh, here's my winnings, and you bumped me to 200.
Yep.
All right, here we
That's
go.
what you did last time.
Hard 8. Nope.
Nope.
9.
Neater. 9. 140.
Yep.
Here, give me a 5. Oh, you want? Ah.
All right, here we go. 5s with 3s behind.
Hell.
Ooh, hard 8 down. I'll re-up.
Easy 8.
140.
So 140 pays 1.
120 pays 140.
Yeah, 140. So give me 2 reds. I'll give you that. And we'll just bump it up.
Bump it to 240.
Yeah, 240.
Okay, 280. So yeah. All right.
Yep.
5s with the 3 behind.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that was close. Back-to-back 8s, though.
Yeah, we'll re-up this 8.
Easy 8. So 240 pays
280.
280.
75, 80. Yep. Make it 500. There we go. We got one number to 500, and that was the goal, is to get them all to 500.
Nice. Hell.
Oh, this is a
Ouch.
very hard challenge.
Ouch, ladies and gents, that's a tough one to hit. I don't think he's got
It's a
enough
tough one to
bullets.
swallow.
I don't think he has another bullet in him.
Oh, I got bullets. I got bullets, baby. 10 on all those.
10 on the hardways.
Do these all across, working.
Working.
Four. 10. I'll do this. We're gonna do a horn high 3. Here we
Horn high
go.
3. Here we go.
Horn, 3 would be huge right here, folks.
Huge 3. Oh, he almost had
Got
it. Easy 6. Easy 6.
All right, that's gone. Hard 6 is gone.
Oh, almost had it, ladies
But
and
I get
gents. You
35, max
35.
press.
So 30.
Make it 60 actually.
50, 60.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the other. Put it on one of these. We'll do a yo. $5 yo.
$5 yo. Hey,
There
yo.
we go.
Yo.
8.
8. Easy 8. 8. Hard 8 down. Same thing.
Yep. 35. Make it 60. There we go.
Yo. Hey.
9?
Niner. 9.
All right. 30. 25 pays 35. Make it 50. It was a 9, not a 5, but that's all right.
I know.
Doesn't matter.
It all pays the same, but yeah. Actually,
Pays
well,
the same, yeah.
yeah. It's always considered. Why was the 5 never on the field?
Just to make a house edge.
Yeah.
You gotta have a house edge somewhere.
6. Easy
Ooh,
6.
it's
Hard
a
6
60.
down.
60 pays 70.
Hard 6 down.
So just do increments of 30. So 60 to 90.
60. So,
You need to pay it 70 though. You need $20.
yeah.
And then make it 90.
Make it 90. So, 75, 80, 90.
There you go.
Do you want to make that one 90? Your 890?
Sure.
75, 80, 90.
There you go.
And you got your hardway bet back.
All right, we're rolling from
Really looking.
from the grave, baby.
Oh, no!
That's all she wrote.
7 out.
That's how fast $2,000 goes on the monkey press strategy,
Yep,
you guys.
that was
I also could have made 10,000, so it just is what it is.
2K down. That
All right, we'll see if Booms Craps Cade can
that
do it.
unfortunate event happened. I'm gonna be rolling the same method with 2K.
Ooh, okay.
We'll make this
Do
interesting,
you like
ladies.
the Pepsi Wild Cherry and Cream?
Pepsi Wild Cherry Cream is not so
Not a sponsor.
not a sponsor.
Should be. All right, let's get this guy $2,000.
Take 100 in red, rest in black.
$100 in red. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000. This is a very inappropriate way to spend your paycheck, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
Unhealthy, inappropriate way to lose your paycheck. Or you could make 10 paychecks in one night.
Yeah.
Depends on how you rolling that night. Okay. All right.
So you need 640
640.
or 620.
40.
Yeah, 640. All right, 640 coming
All
in.
right. We're always working. There we go. See if you can do better than me, hopefully.
All right, let's do sideways 12 here.
Sideways 12, infamous Sideways 12 back at Boomcade Studios in his kitchen. Worked like a charm. There's an easy 8.
Easy 8. We'll take it.
Easy 8 phase 140.
Press it.
He wants to go to 240.
Yep, 240.
All right. Hardways. Incoming hardways. Yet to see a hardway hit today.
Yep.
Sideways 12. Niner. Neener.
Niner.
Colt 45er.
Colt 45, a Nina Niner.
140.
Yep.
There we go. Let's see what old Boom Craps Cade's got up his sleeve. Got to get all these numbers to 500. Yo!
Yo.
Nothing doing there.
No action on the yo.
Hard 10.
Hard
Does-
10.
Oh, he's got a hard 10
Hard
too.
10. We'll take it.
Oh my gosh. So that's
70
70 for that one.
Nice.
And yeah, we won't do Vigs today. 200.
200.
All right, he's got a $300 10.
Nice. All right. Sideways 12, ladies and gents. Best dice setting action ever.
9. He has a $200 9, so
Nice.
280.
Press it to 400. Or no, here.
Just give me another green and we'll give
Yep. 500.
you 500. All right, we're at 500 on the 9 already, so we don't need to press. That's a collect number now. 8.
8.
Hard 8 down.
Nice. Yep. Hard 8 down.
What do you got?
Re-upping hard.
280. Man, all right, let's see. 2 pays like this. This pays like this. All right. I think I have enough to get you to 500 here.
Yep. There's 4, and I think you have almost a full stack of 100 there. What are you
Yep,
short?
5 extra.
Yeah, there we go. Do a
$500 8.
$5 horn high midnight.
We're high midnight on the sideways 12.
Horn high midnight. Oh, nice.
Dice off the table. The biggest table in the history of Idaho. Boom Craps Cade can't keep it on the table.
Scratched it.
Oh.
More trash cans.
What?
All right, let's try that again.
Trash cans are on the side yard.
No, it's not. It's not there anymore. I just went back there.
I don't know.
Sideways 12 action coming in hot. Oh, close.
Ooh, he's got 300 on that 10.
Yep, 310.
These are
Let's-
down. 300 pays 600 though.
Yep, bump it up to 5.
$500. He's got 400 to play with.
Put it on the 5.
We got a $500 5. There we go.
Oh,
Strategy OP. He's got like 2,500 out on the table.
yep.
Some bets.
Sideways 12, man. This is how we do.
This is how we do. Hard 10.
Hard 10.
That's a collector. That's a collector.
Oh, it's $1,000 10 there.
$70 hard 10 too.
Woo!
Yeah, $1,000. We're bringing out purples, kids. All right, do you want to make it for the 4 or 500?
Yep.
Or do you want to do with a 6 500?
Make them both 500.
Oh yeah.
Rock and roll it.
Wow. All right, let's do this so people can see.
Now we're just collecting.
These
Oh,
are all.
I lost that a while ago.
Every number is 500, you guys. I would make these 600 if you could.
The 6 and 8.
Easier math, yeah. There we go. That I can do. 600 pay 700.
All right.
He's got every number to the moon. Let's see how much he can collect.
Sideways 12 with the 6 showing behind.
Hard 4.
Hard 4.
Gosh, you should start parlaying his hard ways.
Yeah.
All right, here's 1,000 and 70.
Thank you. One more hit and I'll pay for this whole shooter.
I think you should parlay the hard 4.
Okay.
$50 hard 4. Yeah, that pays $350 now instead of 70.
All right, here we go.
8.
8. Easy 8. Gosh. So hard.
All right, down.
We'll bump her up.
700 though.
Oh,
Oh, Kate splashes on pot. Oh, baby. As you can see, you could either lose all your paycheck or get rich
Yeah.
quick.
Sideways 12 coming in hot.
Hard 10,
Hard.
which he. Oh no, he didn't.
Ah,
He did the 4. He can do the 10 now,
Yep,
though.
now I'll do the 10.
I'm running out of purples to hand this guy,
Woo-hoo-hoo.
which is crazy to say,
All right.
considering I lost immediately.
All right, there's my initial $2,000 buy-in.
He's got a lot of money. May as well put the rest on the field. Keep your initial buy-in and start real gambling. He does
Field.
100.
Here we go. Sideways 12 coming in hot. Arrow.
Oh, it's over.
Oh, it's
Party's
over.
over. Good shoot.
It's all right.
He made a lot of money. He had $3,000 out too. Holy cow.
All right, I have one more bullet in me here with just my initial buy. So,
Or you could just walk away a winner.
oh,
You're gonna go for
I
it?
already have
Oh,
that.
keep your buy-in money.
Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 40.
Yep. Oh yeah, you got lots of bullets left. You got 4 bullets you could do.
Yep.
Oh, that's crazy.
Initial buy.
This is the
I won't-
monkey press strategy, you guys.
not
Have to
gonna-
have decent rolls for this to work. Just
Yep.
disclaimer.
Not
As you
gonna
saw
touch
me
my
lose.
initial buy-in.
You saw me lose all my money pretty quick. Kate has more than tripled his money already.
All right. Let's do this. Sideways 12 action with the 6 showing behind. Ew.
6.
6. All right. I'll take it. I'll take it. We'll take it.
140.
Push it up to 240, please. What?
It's change.
This?
Yep.
I owe you 10?
Nope.
Oh,
You're good.
okay. There we go.
Sideways 12 still?
Yep.
9. That's another
Sideways.
140.
Sideways 12. Bump it.
200.
Yep.
Stay here, buddy.
Sideways 12 action coming in.
They're back. Yay.
Sideways 12 with the 6 shown in the back.
5.
5. Favorite 5. Yeah, bump it up to 200.
140. All right, you said 200.
Sideways 12. This is the ultimate dice roll, ladies.
No,
and
you
gents.
guys, they're doing a party with their family. Go back in.
Oh, hard 10.
But Ashton said they're back.
They are, but they're not ready to play yet. I'll let you know when they're ready to play.
Hard 10 with $25.
Okay, I will.
$25 on the hard 10.
It is?
Did you know that?
Okay, start eating.
Okay, I already eat it.
Okay.
Three.
Okay. 25 times 7.
Yep.
175 or something. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep,
Nice.
175. Nice little hit there.
Yep.
All right, sideways 12 coming in.
I'll pay the 10. Oh, you did.
I did.
Yeah. Make the bump. No. All right. Oh, yep. Sideways 10. That's already set up. You gave it to me set up.
Yep.
Look at that.
I'm a gangster dealer. And I'm like dealing with kids on the side too.
8. Didn't want that, but that's all right.
I don't know. Sorry.
Didn't want to see the easy 8.
140.
280.
Yep, let's bump it. 280.
All right. Sideways 12 with the 6 shown in the back.
6 easy.
6. Okay.
Hard 6 down.
6 easy.
280 pays a lot. And so I do it. We'll just even that up. 35 there. There we go. It's 113, but we'll do 110. All right, so we'll add 5 here. That makes up for it. All right, we can go to 500 here on the 6.
Let's do it. Full send.
70. 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Woohoo!
$500 6.
$500 6. We're getting close.
All right.
6 shown
So
in the back.
monkey press for Boom Craps Cade's a thing. 3. No action.
No action on the 3.
Yo, no action.
No action.
See a
on
horn,
the-
bet a horn. Hard 8.
Hard 8. We'll
There we
take
go.
that.
Square
action.
pair.
Square pair. Hard 8. We'll take
Wow,
it.
$225 on the hard 8. And then 280. Let's go.
Yep, just bump it up to 5.
It's 113 to 226. Yeah, we'll do 225. There we go. This one. There we go. 400, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There we go.
Nice.
We're at 500.
$30. Yo. Box cost.
$30.12.
$30.12. Here we go. You're welcome. $30. So that would pay $3,000, right?
30 would pay 900.
$900. Oh yeah.
Nice try.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. Hey! Yeah, come on.
Oh, Snake Eyes!
No!
Had it on the wrong one.
Oh, you're welcome.
They can't play yet, so go back that way.
How many more minutes?
Until dinner's over for them. Might be a little while.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Over for us.
Until
Sideways
dinner's
6.
over for them. So go back in.
Sideways 6. Come on.
10.
10. Yeah. What I had what 300 on there, so 600.
Yep, 600. All right, we'll put it to 500. What
5.
do you want to do with this 400?
Yeah, the 5. And the 4.
Yeah.
No.
It's just the 9 and the 4 aren't maxed out.
Can I do it again? Here we go. Looking for a 10.
Daddy.
3.
3. Nope, no action on the 3.
We're just making a video, so if you could just leave us alone for
No
a minute.
action on the 3. All right, come on. Come on. Dealer's killing my freaking momentum here.
Mushing him. Another 3.
Another 3.
See a horn, bet a horn.
Daddy.
All right, sideways 12 with the 6 showing in the back. Come on.
Sad. Too much happening around.
Dang it.
All right, how much did Cade end up with after 2 bullets? Pretty good.
Well, there's $2,000.
Had $3,000 out again. That's crazy.
7, 8, 9, 10. So there's $3K.
So you're up 1,000. Looks like he's up 1,000 and a couple hundred.
Yep.
And he was up like 5,000 at one point.
Yeah.
So this strategy can get you out of the casino quick or rich quick. It's a fun one.
There's
If
100.
you're tired of messing around, this is the strategy for you.
100. 200. So 3,000.
300.
Daddy.
50.
50. Yeah.
Or
Almost.
45.
45. So 1,000. $1,340 profit. That's how we do it at Boom Craps.
So you made $1,340.
Yep, 13. So that's my initial buy.
Yeah, 1,340.
Sorry, no. That's my initial buy.
Oh, 1840.
1840, ladies.
Stop for
and,
cars, Bennett. They're coming.
1840, ladies and gents.
Yeah, careful. You can't just ride your bike out like that. And we have kids running around all over the
Yeah.
world, so we do our best, guys.
We do our best. Be patient with us. We are in the middle of building a craps studio. That will not be until
We
probably
need
the
more
end of this
subscribers
year.
for that.
Yeah. If you have not smashed that like button and subscribed, I hope you 7 out the rest of your life.
PSO, you guys. 0.7 out.